What's up, universe? It's me, MG Flores, and I'm here again for another travel vlog. Yes, and I don't know if you have seen the segment from Jessica Soho wherein this place was featured. Yes, I am here at Blue Hole in Tuburan, Cebu. Ay, sorry. And as you can see, blue gid siya, no? Because it is 15 meters deep, and that makes it blue, so blue. I'm gonna go swim. Yeah, let's see.
Mahibong kang gay nasyon na adiha, ma'am.
Dagan kayo, kamera nag-wait ninyo.
Nagaparinig yung siguro ni ay.
Nabalik pa na ron ngayon.
Okay, ganahan na siya.
One more?
Makabugto siyang bra, in fairness. If you're looking for another place to go here in Tuburan, Cebu, this is what I can offer you. So, of course, we will not be all vlog, no? So, maligo kita. Ligo na saan? I am here at Molobolo Spring. Yes, you heard it right. It's Molobolo Spring here in Tuburan. And this is considered as their infinity pool spring or whatever. Basta infinity siya, guys. It's connected to the beach right there. Yes. Dangog guys siya. Ama-film man kami sa moto, dangog guys siya dire, pero okay ra nagihigda lang yapon lumot.
Modest lighter.
Sige, ganahan akong makuha nga model bisag sa puspro lang. No. Naala sa description box ang ako ang business email. Check. Ulit, of course, change outfit. So, ato na mi guys, I'm done here at Molobolo Spring, and I guess that would be it for this travel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe.